With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. So the question is, the time period of simple pendulum measured inside a stationary lift is found to be t. If lift start accelerating upward with an acceleration g by 3, then the time period is. So here first condition is given that the lift is stationary and a pendulum is there in the lift. Suppose it is attached to the ceiling of the lift. So here its weight will be its actual weight, that is mg, because lift is at rest. So there is no pseudo force. Now the formula for time period of simple pendulum is written 2 pi under root L by g, and g will remain g here. This assumed to be first equation. Now for second condition, it is written that the lift is moving upward with some acceleration g by 3. So as a result, the bob attached to the ceiling of the lift will experience a pseudo force downward, and there is a gravity which is also acting downward. So as a result, if we have to find the apparent g in this case, it will be g plus a, which is equals to g plus g by 3. That means, so it comes out to be 4g by 3. Now we can write here the time period t dash will be equal to 2 pi L upon g dash. Now putting the value here, we get t equals to 2 pi under root L upon 4g into 3. Taking 3 and 4 from the root side, we get under root 3 by 2 into 2 pi under root L by g. Now this can be written as t. So which indicates that the final answer will be equal to t dash will be equal to root 3 by 2 into t. So the correct option in this question will be option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.